So those things that you kind of commented on outweighing, do you think that outweighs profiling?
No, I do not.
So do you think me as an individual smoking in my car, I should be able to get pulled over if I'm by myself?
Are you smoking marijuana?
If
Yes.
I'm smoking anything, should I be able to get pulled over?
If you're smoking marijuana, yes, because that would make, that's what my bill's about. If you're
Yeah,
smoking,
absolutely. And I
right?
don't
If you're
think you should
smoking
smoke
marijuana,
marijuana.
right?
I don't think you
If
should
you're
smoke
smoking
marijuana.
marijuana, but I agree with you, and I'm really hopeful that law enforcement looks at what their constitutional rights are when it comes to whether it's open container for a drink or smoking cigarettes already or smoking marijuana.
But
But
if I'm
again,
smoking a cigarette, I'm asking if I'm smoking a cigarette with this law, I can get pulled over just to see if it's what it is that I'm smoking, correct?
no, if you're smoking a cigarette, I would think they could clearly tell the difference between a Marlboro and a blunt. I don't know. I mean, I'm hoping that
I
you
don't
all
know.
have that much
And
experience.
that's what worries me. You know what I mean? I think that's what worries me as an individual, that may be an avid smoker, that I can get pulled over for smoking a cigarette. I don't smoke marijuana, but if I want to smoke a cigarette and I get pulled over, who's going to regulate the regulators, right? And do we have anything that's going to be collecting data that's saying how many minority individuals are getting pulled over if this law is in effect? And what if it does start a profiling problem? How do we address that issue? So those are the kind of issues that I have. And what if we even put on here that if an individual is in a car by themselves, you can't pull them, they can't get pulled over. I understand the kids, I support that. I understand the hot box, and I support that. But if I'm in the car by myself, smoking a cigar, if I'm in my Jeep driving down the street, I shouldn't just get pulled over if somebody wanted to profile me and giving them the reason to profile me. I look different. I act different. I'm not going to, the same police that pull you over not going to pull me over. And it's scary. It's very scary. And that's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
But-
no, I understand your concerns. I do. But I guess it
But-
goes back. No, but it goes back to, I still don't believe that people should be smoking marijuana in a car, and they currently are doing this. And I want to make sure that they know they shouldn't be doing this. And I guess in terms
And
of
I do agree with you. They should not smoke marijuana in the car.
and
at
like
all.
even